I was just so afraid to take the jump to quit my job. And then all of a sudden, you just knock over one domino and everything starts falling into place. That's what happened to me in this program. I would 100% do this class over again. My name is Danielle. I am in the fashion industry and I'm from Chicago. I reached out to Clark because I was kind of in a point in my life where I was ready to take my life to the next level. I just started listening to podcasts and being surrounded by people that were talking about coaching programs and how it like completely transformed their lives. So I was kind of already like open to it. I watched Clark on YouTube for probably about a year. I was watching one of his YouTube videos and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just like apply. I think I watched like the free video, and at that point I was like, okay, I'm ready for this. My biggest struggle before Metamorphic was I was feeling extremely stuck in life and just very stagnant. I was in a very like unfulfilling job. I was just so afraid to take the jump to quit my job, to try something new because I was just so comfortable. My biggest breakthrough in the program was just all the massive change. I wanted a new life. I wanted to manifest and create this new life for myself. Literally everything in my life looks different. I have a new car. I have a new job. I have a new living situation. During the program, I literally even went on a fully paid trip to Costa Rica. The universe will reward you for doing the things that are going to benefit your future self. My favorite part was probably the NLPs. I was really able to heal certain triggers and I feel like they're no longer triggers for me. My favorite concept, I think it was in the massive change, was the domino effect. It just helps me look at my whole life as I'm building all of these things, I'm working on skills, and then all of a sudden you just knock over one domino and everything starts falling into place. That's what happened to me in this program. And I feel like I can't even put into words like what this program has done. My advice to someone on the fence about joining this program, when I first decided I was going to do it and I realized how expensive this program was, I've never spent this type of money in my life. And it was a little bit like, wow, like you're really doing this. And I just think anytime you invest in yourself, it's going to come back so much better and so much more powerful. It's going to bring so many opportunities and magical experiences your way. It took me from just like an average person just living a life that wasn't aligned with me to completely transforming my life. And I know this is just the beginning. I know there's going to be more change. I would 100% do this class over again. So I just want to give a huge thank you to Clark for creating this program. I know you put so much love and energy into this program and you could just feel it. I'm just so grateful that I decided to take the jump and to be surrounded by so many amazing, beautiful souls who are living their highest timeline and living their purpose. I am so grateful for what this program did for me, and I will be grateful for the rest of my life.